Thanks again for checking it. As we take a look at your extreme weather outlook, I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. Well, Maria is beginning to fade. It's actually getting a little kick to the east now thanks to a front that is moving through the eastern U.S. The upper level winds are now starting to take that, and it will be very quickly moving into the north central Atlantic by this upcoming weekend. Some snowfall continues in the western U.S., and we're also going to be warming into October. But here's a look at Maria again from this early Thursday. You can see things really starting to fall apart. Still a tropical storm, though, as of this early Thursday. And there it is. You can see it very quickly shifting into the north central Atlantic. And by Sunday morning, it's way out there in the Atlantic. Meanwhile, Lee continues. The center of circulation is still very evident, but that eye wall is really starting to collapse on itself and becoming clouded over. That's a sign of starting to really weaken. Still a Category 2 storm from earlier today. And again, that too will also be picked up by the upper level winds and then shifted into the north central Atlantic. So there's Maria and Lee. Here's a chance of tropical formation near Cuba, and as that lifts north, we could have some tropical formation over the next 5 days. We are going to be seeing a lot of rain with this. Keep in mind that water temperatures in these particular areas are very warm, so again, that could help to aid in some of that tropical formation. Look at all this rain, though, through Sunday morning. Maybe some 2+ inch tallies for southern Florida. And speaking of heavy rain, the potential is still there over southern Texas, out in the hill country for some flooding, and there's all that rain. We may even see again some 1+ inch tallies over southern Texas yet as we take you through the next few days. Meanwhile, the snowfall potential will still be in place over the central Rockies, but for now, we are going to be warming up a little bit. In the meantime, that cooler air begins to settle on into October there, but the eastern half of the country will be very warm into the eastern half of the nation again as we head into October. Meanwhile, Charlotte today still up to 92 and 55 only in Denver.